The 7 marshmallow trick.
It's your bra strap. That'll be on there too. Right. How many? 4.
5, 6, 7. Hold on, can you do it? 8. Alright.
Now let's throw her over the fire. Remember the Blue Man Crew? They put marshmallows in their mouth and then they spit them out?
Mm-hmm.
Shot him.
Come on, let's go shoot them in the fire pit. That's a good look, no matter who you are. Mouth. Go. We're going rabies style now. Let's all watch what a marshmallow does inside our tummies. Ooh. Ow, that's hot.